Hey guys, so welcome to Essential Kitchen. In this video I want to show you how to cook a perfect fried indomie. Let's go. In here are the ingredients. We have our indomie here, we have our sardine, our eggs. This is curry leaf. It works wonder. The aroma is beautiful. We have a fresh pepper, onions, we have a carrot and green beans. So the first thing to do is to start boiling our water. Once it has boiled, we'll go ahead to add our indomie without the spice. So we are adding only the indomie. Once the indomie has boiled very well and tender, we'll go ahead and sieve it out. So once that is done, I'll go ahead and prep my ingredients. I'll crack my eggs and set it aside. I'll cut my veggies. Now you can see our water is boiling. I'll go ahead and add the indomies and cover it and let it sit for a while. And I go ahead with the preparation of the veggies. So guys, if this is your first time coming across my video, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Okay, in this channel we do a whole lot of cooking and baking that will interest you. Okay, I'll go on to cut my onions. So I'm going to spice up my eggs by putting some veggies, the indomie spice. Okay, then I'll whisk and set it aside. I will also add some what is it called, sardine to it. Yeah, so go ahead and enjoy the video. Okay, it's self-explanatory. Thanks for watching. Okay, you can see indomie is now tender, so I'll go ahead and sieve out the water, the indomie water. Then this is time for frying.
Taste explosion in each bite. Reflect the season morning till night. Lo, 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 lo. Essential kitchen food is the best. It's the best. Essential kitchen food is the best. It's the best. Our food's so good it makes you dance. Satisfy your cravings at first glance. Chefs are cooking up the magic. Each dish a story, never tragic. Customers smile spreading wide. Their joy, our only guide. Taste explosion in each bite. Reflect the season morning till night. Lo, 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 lo. Essential kitchen is the best in town. It's the best. Essential kitchen food is the best. It's the best. Our food so good it makes you dance. Satisfy your cravings at first glance. chefs are cooking up the magic.